Google. Yeah, what's likely next? So first of all, I we shorted Google when it broke out. It failed, and then somewhere up here, the news came out about Gemini disappointed. Um, yeah, I was a little late, but something like here, we shorted it, stop above. So the trade started well. We went sideways, and yeah, first of all, there was one more reason. On the monthly chart, there has been this almost 20-year channel going on, and we did overshoot, and now we have a second reversal back into this range. Historically seen, and I've said it before, I've showed you many examples. If these overshoots happen late in a trend, it is often a sign of the end. It's climatic behavior. It's often a sign that by the last buyers they FOMO'd in, and yeah, when that stops, when that momentum stops, it's usually a sign that you're going to reverse or at least go sideways to down for a very long time. Does not mean we have to crash. Um, Usually it's going all the way to the other side of the channel, but I'm not going to take the short that far because you could easily go down and then all the way up, and it could be a move like this. And it's not fun, right? So I'm just in here for a short ride on this monthly chart, and yeah, let's see if we can make a range. For example, if this is going to be the range, makes sense because there is also this bottom. And then let's see if we can find an exit here in the bottom zone of this range. So yesterday earnings, I decided to fully stay in. Yeah, because this double top, if we would get a positive earnings release and you have the sell, you have a strong buying momentum, then that initial spikes usually, well, then not usually, 50% of them fail, right? So you have seen it before, earnings big pop, day after fail. So I figured that could be a very logical outcome because of all these stops, and combined with the overall structure. Um, so yeah, and this was of course the best scenario to just break down right away. But yeah, that was not the only scenario I was watching. So looking ahead from here, we have now broken out this channel that started beginning 2025, and yeah, it seems to be holding. Um, Selling is still going on, so I expect even if we get some buying up here, I still think this is likely to go lower. I don't know the time horizon. It could take 6 months or even longer, but it could also just be a few weeks. Yeah, based on the overshoot on the monthly chart, we are now breaking down. Yeah, so let me see if we can get some more information on lower time frames. Yeah, so this 8-hour chart is just spiking. This is the first pass, and now we are starting a second leg. I think this is very strong. I don't think this is going to be the bottom and we're going to go straight up. I think this is we have now shifted the trend to somewhat bearish, and even if we go up, then likely we're going to see lower again sooner or later. Buying Google, I think, lower if we get a move later this year to the bottom 1/3 of this yellow box. That could be if we get something like this, then here you could be a buyer. Okay, let me know if any questions or you have any other comments in the comments.